My name's Amira, I'm 10 years old. Decades before I was born, Cymru made a promise to me. Roedd yng Nghymru wedi ei llunio gan y ddewisiadau a oedd wedi cael ei gwneud ymhell cyn I mi fod yma. Because you were bold, the air is clean. Because you took difficult decisions, people have enough to live good lives. Because you thought about what I would need, I can age well. Oherwydd chi, mae Cymru ar rheg y byd. Those choices weren't always easy, but everyone played a part in making sure we did the right thing for the sake of future generations.
Cymru has always been a nation of doers, of problem solvers, change makers. We have the ideas, the talent, the resilience to tackle these challenges. Gall Cymru can ei datrys ar y cyd. Over the past 10 years, we've led the way with our collective vision for a Cymru that's protecting future generations. The Wellbeing of Future Generations Act has helped shape better decisions, protect our environment and support communities. But to get to where we need to be, we have to rebuild trust and unite people around a plan for a better Cymru. We all want a Cymru where every child born into every community has a future full of opportunity. But without action, we are on track for an unrecognisable future, where the choices we have before us today are taken away or made more difficult than we could ever imagine. Climate change is threatening our homes and our coastlines. Inequality is rising, with too many families struggling to make ends meet. Public services are under pressure, misinformation is harming all of us, and trust in our leaders is declining. But Cymru can be different. That's why I'm challenging our political parties, our leaders, our policymakers to learn from the lessons of the past and ensure everyone is on the journey to a better Cymru. Because we can build a stronger, more sustainable wellbeing economy, where our decisions work for people and planet. We can invest in young people, in green jobs, in healthier communities. We can create a Cymru where Amira and every child can thrive.
Gwnaethwch ddweud Cymru can, ac fe wnaethwch fy mywyd I yn well.
Cymru can. Gadewch I ni adeiladu dyfodol sy'n addys ar gyfer cenedlaethau ein dyfodol.